If y'all know I am a DIY girly for life because we stay ballin' on a budget, but we still gotta look good. So come with me to a Sally Beauty Plus Studio, and y'all heard me right, Plus Studio at select locations. And y'all, they offer to teach you how to color or style your hair, like what? And so many other services, and on top of that, they can also help you shop your favorite products for you. Like what? I mean, let's talk about a one-stop shop, y'all. So I'm here to soak it all in. I remember coming to Sally Beauty back in high school to get all my beauty supplies to attempt to do it at home, and y'all, I learned the hard way that I'm definitely a hands-on learner rather than a see how it goes learner. And that's why I love it. And most importantly, this is a no judgment zone. They're so open to hearing your questions and routines if needed, and also you have the option to be hands-on to get that full learning experience. Like, look at this hair! Today I decided to let the professional do her thing and really just pay attention to every product and detail that she uses on my hair. And y'all, I am obsessed. I am in love. Like, look at that! Look at it! Looking so shiny, a whole new person. But next, I wanted to learn how to do a messy bun. And y'all, the videos online make it look so confusing, but literally, look at this. Bada bing, bada boom, messy bun, and look. What? She was killing it and she taught me how to do it, and yo, I was surprised. I was impressed. I just love this concept because this is just perfect for all the ball on a budget DIY girlies like me, or even for anyone who wants to learn to do it themselves. So don't be shy, you never know unless you try. So go check out Sally Beauty Plus Studio at select locations near you, because I'm definitely coming back. Your girl looking good, feeling good. It's a great day. It's a great day. I'm gonna be back. Sally Beauty Plus Studio, I see you. I see you. I see you.